Today we're gonna find out which is better, cooking a steak in a pan or a toaster. We're first gonna start with the one in the pan, and to do that, we're gonna be using the cooking skills of our cameraman, Nick.
And with all that being said, let's get started.
So we're gonna be kind of cooking this in a classic way, doing it on a hot pan, and then we're gonna baste it in some butter with some thyme, rosemary, and garlic. So very, very tasty. Break off the stick. It's all about the freshness. Breaking open garlic is fairly simple. You just take your knife and you smash it, just like that. So you want to release the oils in the garlic, that's the important thing. Yeah, so everything's ready. So we're just gonna wait for the pan to heat up and then we'll get to the stove. So a very easy way to know when your stainless steel pan is hot enough to cook meat in is you take a little bit of water from the sink and you just kind of spritz it on the cooking surface. And if the water evaporates very quickly, like right now, it's not ready to cook on yet. But once the water kind of beads around the cooking surface, then we're good to throw the meat in. Yep, so that means we're ready to go.
That's sick.
Science. So we're gonna pat it down, hit it with some kosher salt, nice and high. Just like that. Really be generous with the seasoning. And then we'll do some pepper. There we go. Oh yeah. Hit it with some olive oil. So always lay away from you. And we're not gonna touch the steak for a while. We're gonna let it sit there for a bit. Oh yeah. You kind of want to press the meat down against the pan because you want good contact to get a good crust. A good steak is all about a good crust. All right, there's our nice crust. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's crusting nicely. So once our steak is getting close to being ready, we're gonna lower the heat on the pan, and we're gonna start with our butter and our aromatics. So we're gonna put our rosemary and thyme. It's gonna pop, that's normal, and our garlic. And we're gonna wait till the butter starts to foam, and then we're gonna baste the steak. So we'll start basting now, actually. Keep basting, keep basting. So there we go. Here's our steak. We're gonna pull it off and let all those juices kind of just sit on top there like that. And now we let it rest.
How do you think the one in the toaster is gonna go?
Not very good. You can't beat this, man. You can't beat this. That's a nice rare.
This might be my favorite video we've ever done.
Let's keep doing them.
All right, let's go. Oh yeah.
Is that good? Does it pass the Zach Haller stamp of approval?
Oh yeah. What do you think?
Oh man. Not to toot my own horn, but that's a pretty good steak. So Zach, are you confident in cooking the steak in the toaster, or?
No.
All right, so you want to coach you through the Zach, or?
Yes, please do.
All right, so first things first, you're gonna have to grab some paper towel because you want to tap that steak dry. Yeah, little dabs, just get the moisture off, you know.
Okay.
So now you're gonna season your steak with some kosher salt, nice and high.
Kind of always wanted to do this.
Yeah, Salt Bay. Yeah, and then some black pepper.
Black pepper.
Keeping it simple today.
And then what do I do for the garlic? I crush it?
So for the garlic, you just take your knife, put the knife over it,
Yeah.
and just tap it with your hand. Yeah, there you go. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I don't want to destroy it, but yeah, that's good.
So we're just gonna put the garlic in here like this, and we'll add the aromatics. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the butter and the oil after we cook it, because if we put it in the toaster, we might not have a studio left. Yeah.
Here we go, man. In it goes.
Okay.
This is either gonna be revolutionary or complete garbage.
I feel like the little leaves are gonna catch on fire.
It actually fits.
Yeah. All right, so this is toast. This
Yeah.
is like the toast setting.
Yeah.
And what does this do?
That's for bagels.
Okay. It already has a weird smell to it. It's already starting to smoke. You see that?
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Yeah, I might have to pop that.
Yeah, I think we should take the aromatics out because I think they're just gonna burst into flames.
I don't know what I was thinking.
And the garlic can technically stay in there, maybe. All right, drop it.
Try this again. Look at it in there. It looks so sad. Oh. I mean, it's definitely cooking. I can pop it like in a bit and show you. Like,
Yeah.
I do think it's changing color.
I can smell the garlic now. It's cooking.
I'm gonna take it out and we can just see a little progress update of our toaster steak here. Uh oh.
It's stuck?
Yeah. It's,
Oh, no.
It's stuck.
Oh boy.
Whoa!
Whoa! There's actually some. What?
Wait a sec.
It still needs more time, obviously, but there's actually a crust forming.
Okay. Do we put it back in?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go for another round. Do you want to put the fan on just to be safe?
This is part of the process. Looks good though. Look at this.
Smells great.
Look at this.
Wow.
Do you think I should try adding back in the aromatics?
Yeah, just throw them in.
I might wet them maybe.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
Put these in there, just to get a little bit of it. How's that look?
Looks interesting.
I mean, that should be good, right?
I think it's good. I'd say
Okay.
let's pop it out and let it rest for about, say, 3 minutes. Yeah, I don't think the aromatics did much, but we can get rest the steak on the aromatics, so we can just get some kind of flavor. There you go.
All the garlic fell to the bottom of the toaster.
Oh my god.
So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'll use the heat from the toast to melt some butter, and I'll pour some butter on top.
Good idea.
We'll get our butter going here.
You hold the spoon over the toaster. This looks like you're doing something else. I won't say what. It's actually melting.
Oozing right out of it. Do you think it's gonna be cooked enough?
I guess we're gonna find out. There you go.
I wonder if we can save the garlic. Oh! They're coming.
There it is.
There it is.
We got it.
Alright, so I think we're gonna try cutting into it, just to make sure it's not entirely raw still. So we'll go for like a slice right in the middle here.
Wow. Are you kidding me?
Dude.
Are you kidding me right now? Did we just cook a steak to medium in a toaster?
I mean, okay, hang on. Let's just get a sliver here. Look at that. So obviously it's actually a little bit more cooked than the other one. But if we take, this is the pan steak and this is the toaster steak. Again, it got a little bit more cooked, but besides it not having the crust, it doesn't look that bad.
It looks pretty appetizing. Wow.
Okay, we're gonna have to try this.
You gonna try it out?
Toaster steak. It's actually amazing.
Really?
I'm gonna cut you a piece.
Yeah.
Hang on.
It even looks good from up here.
Look at that.
Wow. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? It's definitely missing the crust, but the steak flavor's there and it's super tender. Try a bite of that one. And, yeah.
Okay. Whoa. They're comparable. This is amazing. This actually worked. I mean, it really surprised me. I can't believe how good this is.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I might just designate this toaster as the steak toaster from now on. I don't know how much this is going to help the, progression of the world, but I think we're onto something at the very least.
Yeah.
So we're going to eat the rest of these steaks, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Is that the toaster one?
Mm-hmm.
Are you kidding me?
It's so tender. It's like it's fork tender. Oh my god. Delicious.